Today we're looking at 6.5, the surface area of cylinders and spheres. Remember that cylinders and spheres are have curved sides, so they are not polyhedra. So a cylinder is, I have a visual to help. I tried to draw it out here, but if you could imagine cutting along one edge of the cylinder so that you could open it up and lie it flat, you'd end up with something like this. This is a rectangle, and then you have two circles. Hopefully you can see that this line of this rectangle would line up with the circumference of that circle. So this width of this rectangle is the equation of the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. So that's the reason for assigning that width to this rectangle here. Now this length or height of the rectangle would be the height of the cylinder. So we could get that lateral area to simply be 2 pi r, the circumference, times the height. And then you get the area of that rectangle. Then to get the complete surface area, you'd have to add in the area of the two circles. The area of a circle is pi r squared, but we have two circles, and the two circles are the same size, so we can simply go 2 times pi r squared. And then we get our full surface area of the cylinder. The sphere, the book does not go into why the area of the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Feel free to look into that. I don't know. All right, we are moving on. The examples are fairly straightforward. You simply plug in the values from the shape that you're seeing into the formula, and then you do the math. So the lateral area of this cylinder, we'd plug into the equation for lateral area of a cylinder, which is 2 pi r h. So we get 2 times 3.14 times the radius is 3 times the height is 5. Now remember, you can use 3.14 or 22/7, depending on what is easiest or what helps to simplify your work. But just know that pi is an irrational number. You can't actually say it's just 3.14. It's a number that goes on forever. And 22/7 is just an approximate value. So we get 2 times, is that right? 3 times 5 is, okay. So 30 times 3.14, and then that would be 3 times 4 is 12, 3, 4, 9. All right, 9, and then our unit is centimeters squared. So our lateral area equals 94 and 2/10 or 20/100 centimeters squared, or square centimeters. The surface area, no need to redo that work. This right here is the lateral area. So we'll just go 94.2 centimeters squared plus 2 times 3.14 times radius squared, so 3 squared is 9. I'm going to look over that one for sake of time, because it's going to be 18 times 3.14, which is 56.52 centimeters squared, plus 94.2 centimeters squared, which equals 150.72 centimeters squared. All right, this, the sphere, that radius right there is 5 inches. So you just plug that into your formula. 4 times 3.14 times 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. And so the surface area equals 314 square inches. Don't forget to add your unit. A lot of times we get in a rush and we'll just say 314. So don't forget to say square inches. And it's not 314 inches. That would be a straight line. Square inches denotes an area, a whole shaded in area. All right, that's it. Good luck with your lesson.